Thanks for tuning in to this YouTube Live exclusive, HuddleCamHD Live, for meetings that matter.
Hello everybody, Paul Richards here with HuddleCamHD, and today we are going to open the box on the brand new Mimo touchscreen. Now, some of you may have seen the Mimo touchscreens, and I have some videos of the old Mimo touchscreens. This new Mimo touchscreen, which let me see if I can pull up the part number here. The SKU is UM-1080CP-G, and so this is going to be a 1080p touchscreen, and it is going to provide HDMI input right at the touchscreen, travels over the USB 3 to your computer, and provides a touchscreen interface to your computer. This product is brand new. You might not even see it on their website yet. We got our hands on it, so I wanted to give everybody a sneak peek of this baby. And not only that, oh, you like the intro? Thank you. Cool intro video. We're live on Facebook as always, or on YouTube. We're live streaming on Facebook later this week. Click that like button to do our live show donations. Last year, we donated over $23,000 to charity, helping children in need who get adoptions. So you can learn more at charity.ptcoptics.com. And I wanted to mention our live show is now on Mondays as well. So we do Fridays, our regular Friday show on YouTube, Mondays on Facebook. We've been getting great results on Facebook. So that's all I have today for although if you are going to watch on the PTZ Optics show, we have a very nice giveaway, a live giveaway that I want to talk about. So let's take this video full screen. I want to show you guys this product from the beginning here. Like I said, the part number is in the description of this video. This is the new Mimo. It's a 10.1-inch touchscreen, color touchscreen, and it has an HDMI frame grabber built in. So just imagine for a second here, putting this on your conference room table, okay? Instead of a Crestron touch panel that costs thousands and thousands of dollars, plug it in into your computer, and now having access to, so like there's all the innovative stuff there. And we're going to open this box up. So the goal is that you take a HuddleCamHD system. You know, we've got our systems that we sell, and you can literally plug it into the system and now have the ability to turn the whole computer, whether you're using our Intel NUC or any computer, and making it a touchscreen. This is the little right angle cables that it comes with. There's a right angle HDMI, there's a right angle USB 3.0, and then there's a right angle USB 2.0, and then there's like a little shroud for the bottom to give it a nice clean look. Let's open it up here. You'll see it's got a little like kind of, what would you call that? A little seat for it, a little holder, a little holster to put it in. And that slips the monitor right on there. There's the 10.1-inch touchscreen. So there's our little touchscreen there. Slips right in and allows for a really nice little touchscreen interface for your web-based video conferencing, for GoToMeeting, for Skype, for any Skype for Business, Zoom.us, Fusebox, Google Hangouts, anything that you're using. We're really going to show you the software here too, which I think you guys are going to really appreciate once you see this live in action. Once this is all set up, so we're setting it up, we're showing how it looks. Looks nice. It's a 10-inch 1080p touchscreen, all the different connectors for power. And you just slip in USB, HDMI, and then power into there. And it's just a docking station. Oh, thank you for that. Yes, the docking station. But it's a touchscreen monitor for your computer. So now your meeting room, you know, we're all moving towards cloud-based, USB-based, computer-based systems that are very flexible and easy to use. Now you've got an easy touchscreen solution that's going to make your life and your more importantly your user's life easier. You know, the end users are going to walk in, they don't need to worry about a remote control or some complicated touchscreen. This is going to be reflecting the Windows interface. Now, truth be told, I will say that we've had little bit of issues with this product. So Mimo's got some things to work out. This is brand new. There's only 25 in the world. You can't just go out and buy this right now. But I'm giving you guys a little sneak preview of what to expect. Now let me show you Mimo's website, so show you what you can buy today. And then we'll kind of go from there. Let's take this full screen actually. So here's Mimo's website. They've got all kinds of little touchscreen products. These are the Mimo Vues, and this is what we have in our conference room. This is the 1080p USB. There's the 1080p HDMI. And it looks like they're still waiting to release this new one. It's not even on their website yet. So keep in mind, we've had a little bit of issues playing with it here and there. But look at, this is how our boardroom's set up right here. We've got dual monitors. We've got an Intel NUC behind the computer, and then we have a that little Mimo touchscreen there, showing off how we can just plug and play, do an install. In fact, let me quickly show you what's behind that television. I'm just going to speak over this, but you can see there we've got the Intel NUC installed on the wall there. So you can see the Intel NUC. That's what is behind those dual displays. Okay, we've got some other USB extensions in there. There's a Magewell frame grabber, which takes the HDMI from the table and allows us to input it directly via USB into the computer. And really, that Intel NUC is the heart of the system. Now, what Mimo's doing is they're building that Intel NUC into the touchscreen, or sorry, that HDMI frame grabber, that Magewell frame grabber is going to be all in one in this touchscreen product. Huge value. It's going to be $499 MSRP. Street value might even be less than that. So it's a very, very cool product. I'm excited about it. And now, why am I so excited about it? Let's talk a little bit more about this. So you can see here that we've got these complete kits. And thank you for everyone out there who's purchased these complete kits, anyone out there who loves these complete kits. We've been actually selling quite a bit of these. And the way they work is they basically have everything you need to install. So you've got Intel NUC, you've got your microphone, you've got your camera, you've got your keyboard and mouse, just like I showed you in the video before, and they work with any web conferencing software. So what's the big deal? Well, we also include a touchscreen. Oh no, we don't include the touchscreen. So that's why I'm doing this video, because you can get your own. But the software that we include is compatible with any meeting software. BlueJeans, Google Hangouts, GoToMeeting, Skype for Business. Very easy reset room button. And this dashboard, whether you have it on a television and you're just using a keyboard and mouse to use it, which is the cheapest way, or whether you want to put it on the touchscreen that we're talking about, becomes the easiest possible way to support all the cloud-based meeting software systems out there. We pre-install Windows 10. We've got an i5 on this NUC, 250 gigabyte solid state hard drive, and 16 gigabytes of RAM. So it's the perfect platform for working with a touchscreen monitor like this Mimo. So let me just show you a quick example of how easy it is to go ahead and deck this baby out. So here's the touchscreen here. You can see that once I'm in edit mode, I can add any application to the sidebar and kind of rearrange it however I wish, whether it's I want people to have access to Dropbox or Word or PowerPoint or Excel. I can also choose any conferencing software, and we make those buttons nice and big. And we've got Skype and GoToMeeting and BlueJeans and WebEx. And once you're done editing, you can just go ahead and edit this. I'll take you through just a little bit of the back end here so we can take a look at what are some of the other things that make this so powerful. You can have a support email in there, so if anything goes wrong, it automatically emails support. You can name the room. You can have you can go through some reset room features. That reset room button can do quite a lot. You can have it delete cache, you can have it delete the browser history, you can have it for corporate compliance to hit all the check marks. These are the meeting softwares that we're choosing from, but of course we can add anything under the sun for meeting software on this touchscreen. And then we're left with a completely customized, a completely branded experience for our end users for a ridiculously affordable price. You know, we're not hiring Crestron programmers that are extremely expensive. We're not providing extremely hard to use or proprietary software. And to kick it off, the last thing I'll show here is the camera control, which is built in, so we can actually control the pan, tilt, zoom of the camera as well directly through this interface. So if you don't have to worry about losing the remote control, people can just walk right in and control the pan, tilt, zoom. So that is pretty much what I had prepared today, guys. That's what we're talking about. A really cool little touchscreen. And now this touchscreen here is taking it to the next level. Okay, so there were those Mimo touchscreens that you can get today for $200. Put it on your table, plug it into your Nook, and hopefully we'll have some wireless USB solutions to really make this a turnkey solution. But for now, I mean, $200, add a touchscreen to your table. This software makes it that much easier to use, and now we've got a really great experience. Let me just quickly show this one more time here. Again, we've got that Intel Nook computer plugged into 2 monitors, so these are dual monitor capable. We have that frame grabber there, which takes HDMI from the table and converts it to USB. Again, with the new Mimo touchscreen, we wouldn't even need that. The new Mimo touchscreen has that built in. So over one USB connection, we can deliver HDMI, well, we can deliver video, touch control, and HDMI video from the table, and a 1080p signal coming back. So that is crazy cool at $499 MSRP. Not sure how they're even doing it. It's, wow. Incredible price point. Look at the organization here too. When you get this stuff installed, that Intel Nook slips right behind the display. So it's very neat and tidy. There's no need for an equipment rack. All of these little things that we've thought of end up not only saving you time and money on the install, but it looks clean. It's a long-term experience. It's a long-term investment for your company. You can see that they have a core hole, not a core hole, but a nice grommet hole put in the drywall there to bring all the cables out neatly so that the installation looks very clean. It's a very, very nice install. That Intel Nook includes a VESA mount that you just put the plate. You saw that in the video earlier. That Intel Nook just mounts right to the wall there, slips behind the television, and then you'll see here that we just go ahead and stick the television right on top of all of that equipment. Plenty of ventilation there. You know, I mean, it's not only overheating problems there. Plug it into HDMI, slip it on that, that's a milestone mount there, and now we've got full access to that, that screen. So that screen there is where your meeting room, that's where your meetings are going to pop up there. So when you are using a touch screen, and I'll show this in a second here. When you're using a touch screen, this video is a little bit rough, but when you're using a touch screen like this, you're touching the buttons, you're launching the videos, those go up to the screen. So when you've got that dual screen there, that is where you are launching the videos. So it's pretty good. I just wanted to kind of show how that works. Let me see if I have another good example of this. Here's a little bit of a better example. Sorry, the lighting is a little off, but you click the button, boom, you launch the video call. That was Google Hangouts, which is really, really quick. Here's Skype. Of course, if you already had Skype running, it would even start faster. There's Skype for Business. You can see it launching there. That's how it works. So that's what we're trying to make so super easy. And the fact that you can now design the touchscreen yourself. No programming skills needed. That's, I think, what the key is. So that's where I'm going to leave you guys. 15-minute review of the Mimo touchscreen. If you have any questions, I will answer them in the post-show. But I'm going to go ahead and roll our new credits roll. And thank you so much for tuning in, everybody.
Friday on YouTube, and don't miss our new Facebook Live show airing at the same time on Mondays. Have you joined our new Facebook user group? Stick around for a brief Q&A session where we answer your questions live.